Village Yarn Bombers make a surprise display for the Village Gardening Club ahead of their 40th anniversary celebration dinner. Watch and be prepared to be amazed. Hours and hours of work has obviously gone into making this highly detailed display for their fellow village residents, and all done very secretly. The village is very lucky to have such a talented Yarn Bombers group to not only produce such quality work but also have the imagination to come up with the design. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and maybe also subscribe to my channel. There are links at the end of the video to other great work produced by our Village Yarn Bombers.